Welcome back to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In the last class we talked about the mean of grouped data without assumption, and in that video I told you something about assumption, that the formula for assumed mean is this. Alright, this is the formula for assumed mean. X bar equals to A, which is the assumed mean, plus summation FD over summation F, where your D is equal to X minus the assumed mean. Alright, so let's do something under that. Now remember, in our previous example you've been able to see that this particular part is 8 and this particular part is 11. So this particular part is 11. all right, so that will change our answers. Let's clean this part then. So this will change this part, and this part will also change. Alright, I'm just trying to do everything here. I don't want you to assume anything. Let me clean this first. Let's show the line. Oh no. Okay. So I'm trying to roll the line. Yeah, I think that's all. So now what do you want to do here? The question gives you an assumed mean of what? 62. So the assumed mean is what? Is 62. Are you seeing that now? Assumed mean is 62. Your F, so you have your F6. This is not 9. This is 8. And this is 11, right? Now after that now, the next thing is, let's find the assumed mean. Assumed mean is just what? X minus A, and your A is already what? 62. So you're gonna do X minus what? 62. Do you understand that now? So that means 47 minus 62. That will give you what? 47 minus, okay, this part will not change. This part will not change. It will just be the same. It will not change. It will be the same, since it is X that I'm using, not the F. It is the F part that would change. So this is it. 47 minus 62, that will give you minus 15. 52 minus 62, that will give you minus 10. 57 minus 62, that will give you minus 5. 62 minus 62, that will give you 0. 67 minus 62, 5. 72 minus 62, 10. Do you understand that part now? So that's how we got all those particular parts. All right, that's how we got those parts. What am I doing? So I'm sure you understand how I got that D part now, which is X minus what? X minus A. That's how we got that part, X minus A. So now the next thing you want to do now is to find your what? Your FD. How will you do your FD? To do your FD is actually very simple. To do your FD, you want to multiply this D. You want to multiply this your what? Your D with the F. You want to multiply this D with the what? With the F. So that is where we would have a change. because of the values we have for our own. So first I'm gonna have what? I'm gonna have 6 multiplied by negative 15. So 6 multiplied by negative 15, that will give us minus 90. So this is minus 90. Then 8 multiplied by negative 10, that will give us negative 80. All right. Then 11 multiplied by negative 5, that will give us negative 55. And then 12 multiplied by 0 is 0. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. And then 6 multiplied by this is 10. Are you seeing that now? That's 10. So now let's do our summation using our formula. Don't forget our formula. That is the bedrock of whatever we are doing here. I get what I'm saying. So you don't need this, so that you will not be confused. So now look at our formula is what? Our formula is x bar equal to what? A plus a what? A plus. So we have a plus summation. A plus what? Summation what? FD. Summation FD over summation F. Are you seeing that? So that means you need the addition of everything here, then the addition of here, which is already 50. We add that already. So summation F is equal to 50. So now summation FD, what would that give us? So we have minus 90 minus 10. Minus 90 minus 80. So that's like saying 90 plus 80. That will give us minus 170. Minus 170 minus 55. Minus 170 minus 55. That will give us minus 225. Are you seeing that? Minus 225 plus 30. That will give us minus 195. Then plus 60. That will give us, let me do that again. Okay, we have minus what? Minus 90 minus 80 minus 55 plus 0 plus 35 plus 60. That's 130. I see. So that's negative 130 minus 130. Are you seeing that now? So let's do that now. That would give us what are we going to have? Okay, our x bar will be what now? Our a, which is what? 62 plus or minus, plus summation FD. Our summation FD is what? Minus 130 over what? Over 50. Are you seeing that now? Minus 130 over what? Over 50. Let me just do this part again. I don't know. So this summation F, so plus summation FD is what? Minus 130 over 50. All right. So this will now give us x bar equals to x bar equal to 62 plus 62 minus, because plus times minus is minus, plus times minus is minus, then 130 divided by 50. Now 130 divided by 50, that will give us 2.6. 2.6, and then your x bar, I think that your x bar, so our x bar now is what? 59.4. remember I told you something like that if you do your normal mean and your assumed mean, you are going to get the same answer. Remember in our previous video we also have what? 59.4. you can see it is still here. 59.4, 59.4. do you see that? Now I want to give you an assignment on this assumed mean. So using an assumed mean of 10, using assumed mean a equals to 10, find the new mean. You should still get 59.4. if you are correct, you will get 59.4. so using assumed mean, find the mean. All right, so that is the first assignment. I will send the other assignment to the right authority. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps you and give you a better understanding of how to calculate the mean using assumed mean. All right, so thank you very much for watching and God bless you. In the next video we'll talk about the median of grouped data, and then we also have the mode of grouped data. So thank you very much for watching and do have a great day. Bye.